Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the viewport tag and a mobile-first stylus sheet are active. This makes the browser render at device width. Next, swap fixed pixels for fluid grids using percentages and max width so components flex naturally. Once done, normalize box sizing and base font sizes so spacing scales predictably. Make sure to include touch-friendly hit areas and scalable images with max width, 100%. These initial steps immediately improve layout adaptability across screen sizes. You now convert key regions to Flexbox or CSS grid so they reflow intelligently. This gives control over alignment and ordering. Then, define media queries around actual content breakpoints rather than arbitrary device widths. Adjust typography, gaps, and column counts accordingly. Also implement responsive image techniques, src set with sizes, picture element for art direction, and lazy loading to cut initial payload. Once applied, test by resizing and inspect, reflow to catch awkward wrapping or overflow issues. You finish by optimizing performance and verifying interactions so responsiveness feels fast and usable. Run audits with Lighthouse and simulate slower networks to prioritize critical CSS and defer non-essential scripts. Make sure touch targets are at least 44px and keyboard focus states are visible. This ensures accessibility on small screens. If layouts break, inspect computed styles and check for fixed widths or unescaped overflow. Commonly, a single element with min width or absolute positioning causes issues. Fix that and rerun tests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.